Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS API Gateway authorizers for mobile step-by-step clearly. Begin by defining what AWS API Gateway authorizers are. Understand that authorizers are crucial for securing your API endpoints. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the API Gateway service. Select the API you want to secure with an authorizer. Click on the Authorizers option in the left-hand menu. Choose Create New Authorizer. Enter a name for your authorizer. Select the type of authorizer you want to create, such as a Lambda or Cognito user pool authorizer. For a Lambda authorizer, configure the Lambda function that will handle authorization. Specify the identity sources, such as headers or query parameters, where the token will be passed. If using a Cognito authorizer, choose the user pool you want to associate with your API. Enable token validation settings if necessary. After configuring the authorizer, select Create. Return to your API and navigate to the resource you want to secure. Click on the method request of the resource. Under Authorization, select the authorizer you just created. Save the changes, then deploy your API to apply the new settings. Test the authorization by sending requests with valid and invalid tokens. Monitor API calls using CloudWatch to ensure the authorizer is functioning correctly. Review any logs for troubleshooting if authorization fails. With everything set up, ensure that your mobile application is correctly handling authentication tokens. Ensure that your mobile app sends the required tokens in the requests to your API. Verify that users are able to access the secured resources only after valid authentication. Keep your authorizer settings up to date with your application's security requirements. Finally, maintain regular audits of your security configurations for the best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.